Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Zoom from your SalesMate CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to switch over to a new software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unlink or remove your Zoom account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile initial. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on setup. It has a gear icon. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on app and add-ons. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these two options. Make sure you've clicked on installed apps. Once you've clicked there, just look for the Zoom logo right here, and you can click on configure. Okay, next you can see my Zoom is connected. So in order to disconnect or remove my Zoom account, here to the right, you're going to click on remove. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to remove Zoom integration from your SalesMate account? The Zoom meeting option will be removed from all the users. Go ahead and click on yes. Okay, a quick second later, it lets you know the app was removed. Now Zoom has been connected from my SalesMate CRM. So if I want to run Zoom meetings with my meetings in my SalesMate, I'll need to re-add it in the future. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Zoom account from your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.